Hello again, David Victor, President of American Educational Institute, here on set with our next presenter, ByrdAdatto. Brad is a principal of the law firm of ByrdAdatto. ByrdAdatto is based in Dallas, Texas, and is a business and healthcare boutique law firm. So today, Brad is going to give the first of a two-part or two-installment lecture on risk management in the healthcare office. His partner, Michael Byrd, will give part two. But part one will be a focus, I believe, on federal regulatory liability that your practice faces every day, whether you know it or not. I'm going to let Brad explain a bit more in the next 20, 30 seconds. Brad.
Thanks, Dave. I appreciate being here with your team today. And you know, one of the things is that you have to understand, I'm going to say some things that are going to be challenging to you today. But I want to give you a little bit of my background because I come from a family of physicians and dentists. My mom's side of the family are all dentists, her dad, her brother, her brother-in-law. My side of the family are nurses and MDs. So I come from a whole family of doctors and dentists. And in doing so, the advice I'm about to give you guys is the same advice I would give them. Because when it comes to government enforcement, it's scary and it challenges people the way they look at it. So we're going to be talking about that, and then as David alluded to, my partner is going to be talking about the personal side, dealing with your employees, partners, and your patients. So looking forward to spending some time with you today. Thanks, David.
Right, important talk, needless to say, and I hope you watch not only Brad's installment, but also Michael Byrd's part two of the same talk.